In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove AIPRM for ChatGPT from Chrome in just a few quick steps. If you no longer use it, or you simply want to clean up your browser, this is the easiest way to uninstall the extension completely. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're in the browser where AIPRM for ChatGPT is installed. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click on the extension symbol. This is usually the puzzle piece icon, and it gives you quick access to all of your installed browser extensions. After that, from the Extensions menu, click on Manage Extensions. This will open a full page where all of your Chrome extensions are listed, so you can view, control, and remove them. Now take a moment to locate AIPRM for ChatGPT in the list. If you have a lot of extensions installed, you may need to scroll a little until you find it. Once you spot AIPRM for ChatGPT, click on Remove. Chrome will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the extension, so don't worry if a pop-up appears. When that confirmation appears, simply click Remove again to finalize the uninstall. And just like that, AIPRM for ChatGPT will be removed from Chrome. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully deleted the extension and cleaned up your browser. If this video helped, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.